Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by opening the file you want to convert. Make sure your iPad OS is updated and there's enough storage, otherwise exports can fail. Once the file is visible in Files, Photos, Notes, or a third-party app, tap to preview it. Then tap the Share icon or the three-dot menu to reveal actions. If you see Print as an option, you're already set to make a PDF. If not, choose Save to Files or Export to see further conversion options. Once you tap Print, a printer selection appears. Don't worry about choosing a printer. Use a two-finger pinch-out gesture on the print preview to generate a PDF preview. This is the conversion step. You're effectively rendering the document as a PDF. From that preview, tap the Share icon, then pick Save to Files, Mail, or another app. Make sure to name the file and choose a destination folder. Once you tap Save, the PDF is created and accessible in Files or the app you selected. After saving, open Files and locate the new PDF to verify it rendered correctly and the file size is reasonable. If you need edits, open the PDF and use markup to add text, signatures, or annotations. Once edited, export again if necessary. To share, tap the file and use Share. If conversion fails or output is blank, free up storage, force quit and reopen the app, restart the iPad, and ensure the app is updated. These steps resolve most conversion glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.